Hi, this is Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And today we're going to talk about and have a couple of different videos here on showing you how to manage multiple users on a WordPress site. And let's say that you have like a magazine blog and you have several different people writing and contributing content. Maybe you have a company website and you have a lot of different people that are also contributing to that website. WordPress has a good way to manage these various different users so that they each have their own, like right here you can see on mine, it says posted by Heidi Caswell. And if somebody else is writing something, I'd like to have their name so they can get credit as the author of what it was that they posted. And at the same time, I don't want everyone who, if I had other people posting on my website, I wouldn't want them to have full control of my website and be able to change the theme and edit and change and delete my whole site or whatever. I want to have kind of control. I want control of that. So you can see we have various different levels that you can use within WordPress, and they're kind of listed here. This will give you an easy reference. If you go back to, I'll have a link on this video at the bottom of the description where you can see the page that has these different information for quick reference. Let's go ahead and go into WordPress and add a new user. Here I am in the dashboard, and in the dashboard under users I clicked on add new. And when I clicked on add new, it came up. I'm going to add a new tab. I went ahead and added the user, and my audio wasn't on, so we're going to go back. But you have to add a username and an email address and then a password. And when you type in the password, you want to make sure that that password is strong. It can be, the username can be anything. It can be a nickname. It could be first name and last initial. If you want their email address, if they get stuck and they can't log in, they forget their password, they can ask for it to be sent back to their email address. You want a strong password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is just not going to do it. It's too easy for people to guess. It's good to have something with some numbers and some letters. It can be part of their name with some letters, and you can see that gets to be stronger there. But you need to remember what you're using and type the same thing in twice. And it lets you know when you've got it done right, and then you go ahead and go add new user, and that user will be set up. One more thing you have here is you have the role, and it's automatically set up as a subscriber. But as you can see, there are other roles that you can give someone. And we're going to start with the subscriber and show what a subscriber can do for you. Okay, here I am logged in as a subscriber. I can go in, I can update. You can't change the username that you log in with, but you can go put your first name in, your last name, nickname, and that's going to be like the username. I don't think you can change that one. Maybe we can change that one. This may be what shows up as you post. Because on your display name, it lets you know what you want to have showing up as your display name, your first name, your last name. It's saying first because that's what I put for first name. Let me put something else in there. And if you capitalize it, it'll capitalize it. And see, you can see that's the different choices. And so this is where you decide what you want to have show up on your profile as you write and post things. Here you can see I'm writing, and it shows up as my name, Heidi Caswell, because that's what I have showing up. If I had just Heidi, then just Heidi would show, or if I had a nickname, then that would show. But you get to pick what you want to have to show up there on your profile, each individual person. Now, as a subscriber, as you can see, this dashboard is very empty. The only thing they can really do is go in and update their profile. Nothing else that they can really do. On a basic WordPress site, there's not a lot of use for this. There are some other programs and things, maybe some of the membership sites, and some of these other things that are connected to it, possibly BuddyPress, and these other things may have a use for someone as a subscriber, where their profiles, some type of thing where their profiles show up, and that way people can go in and edit their own profiles and have them show up. But anyway, have fun with this, and I'll be right back.